from the Lakeside Newsroom of the Henrico Citizen, your hometown news source since 2001. This is the Henrico News Minute with publisher Tom Lapis.
Some good news coming for Henrico County employees. We'll tell you all about it in today's Henrico News Minute. It's Wednesday, March 1st, 2023, and it's brought to you today by Henrico County.
And now for the news.
Henrico County Manager John Vitolkis is proposing an 8.2% merit-based pay raise for all Henrico general government and school system employees. It would be the largest comprehensive increase in more than 3 decades. It's all part of his proposed $1.15 billion fiscal year 2023-24 general fund budget. Deputy County Manager for Administration Brandon Hinton announced the proposal yesterday during a meeting with county employees at Henrico's Public Utilities Operations Center. The county has earmarked about $60 million in the proposed budget for the pay raises. It would be the largest across-the-board raises for employees since 1991. Overall, as part of the budget, general fund spending would grow by about 8.6% or $91.2 million from the current year's fiscal plan. If approved, the pay raises, coupled with those provided during the past few fiscal years, means that the average county employee will have received just more than a 29% pay raise since April of 2021, according to Hinton. The budget also would set Henrico's hourly pay rate to a minimum of $15, and Hinton said the county would lead the region in entry-level pay among high-demand roles like teachers, police officers, firefighters, equipment operators, and mechanics. Starting salaries would jump to $54,602 annually for teachers and nearly $58,000 for police officers and firefighters. You can read much more about the budget proposal right now at henricocitizen.com. State lawmakers recently shot down the last bill of 7 introduced that would have reversed the adopted California standard on electric vehicles in the state. House Bill 1378, proposed by Delegate Tony Wilt, the Republican of Rockingham, would have repealed the 2021 law allowing the Virginia State Air Pollution Control Board to implement emission standards for vehicles with a 2025 or later model year. Now, the current Clean Car Law, adopted from California and soon to be implemented in Virginia, says that 35% of all new cars and trucks sold in the state with a 2026 model year must be electric. Then by 2035, all new models on the market must be electric. Wilt's bill passed the House on a party line vote 52-48, but then died in the Senate Agriculture, Conservation, and Natural Resources Committee, also on a party line vote 8-7, to pass by indefinitely, effectively killing it. You can read more about this topic right now at henricocitizen.com. Henrico Too Smart to Start is hosting a social media contest inviting youngsters in the county to create substance use prevention videos. Participants are eligible to win $1,000 in an educational or vocational scholarship or $750 in a technology purchase. The videos with the most likes on Too Smart to Start's Instagram page will be selected as first, second, and third place winners. The organization's Youth Task Force also will select one video as the best nicotine or vaping prevention video. All videos should discourage the use of nicotine, alcohol, marijuana, and or the misuse of medicine, and also promote protective factors and overall health or wellness. You can learn more at toosmarttostart.com. That second 2 is the number 2. And every week on henricocitizen.com, we bring you Savvy Senior. It's a column especially for senior citizens. And in this week's edition, the topic is thyroid disease and whether you may have it and not know it. You can learn more about what symptoms to look for by visiting our website, henricocitizen.com, and looking for this piece. Well, here at the Henrico Citizen, we're bringing you local Henrico news 5 days a week, and we aim to be your most comprehensive source for county news that you can trust. We don't charge anything for access to any of our coverage, so we appreciate any support that you may feel inclined to give. You can visit henricocitizen.com, and in the upper right-hand corner, look for the yellow Support the Citizen button. Click on that, and You'll see a few ways that you can help out, whether it's making a contribution on a recurring basis of a few dollars every month, or joining our Citizen Collective membership program, which entitles you to a number of benefits. We sure appreciate your support. Today's Henrico News Minute has been brought to you by Henrico County. Henrico County is now hiring. You can visit henrico.us/jobs to view a complete list of all opportunities, full and part-time, that are currently available. To learn more about Henrico's commitment to its employees and the Henrico Way, and find out why employees like Henrico Police Logistics Asset Manager Kristen Gaines say, quote, "Henrico feels like my home. It really is my family. I can't imagine doing anything else." That's henrico.us/jobs.